Materials need to meet higher standards, and you need to ensure that quality specifications are met. Therefore, one step in the production process has become very important. Material testing with Leica Microsystems. Accuracy, reproducibility, and efficiency. The Leica DM2700M with software, digital cameras and accessories. The ideal combination for your quality management, viewing, analyzing and documentation needs. Everything starts with high-quality optics of the Leica DM2700M. Easily locate and focus on your area of interest from macro to micro, providing you clear and accurate viewing of samples. You can achieve precise navigation with the stage control, as well as smooth and sharp focusing by using the shifting gear focus knobs. A highlight of the DM2700M is the new LED Illumination, which provides constant color temperature throughout the complete range of brightness intensity, enabling accurate and consistent representation of colors for visual observation and display of digital images. The new incident axis has all of the contrasting illumination methods you expect. In addition, the built-in oblique mode is an innovative and fast illumination method which enables you to view more detailed surface information on your critical samples. Intuitive color coding on the aperture diaphragm ensures that you can easily synchronize the aperture and objective for accurate results. Easily determine grain size with an optional reticule inserted in one eyepiece. Experience comfort and efficiency with numerous ergonomic microscope settings. Powerful components add to the flexibility and scalability of the DM2700M. For example, Leica's high-resolution HD cameras. Connect any monitor with HDMI connection. Capture, review and share high-quality digital images to communicate accurate results. Archive your results for future documentation review without being connected to a computer. When connected to a PC with the Leica LAS software, the DM2700 becomes a fully integrated image analysis solution. Simply connect with a USB cable, the logical step towards workflow productivity, automating mundane quality review tasks. For comparative analysis, or using the fully automated analysis tool of LAS Grain Expert. For efficiency in your daily work. The Leica DM2700M, your complete solution for material analysis. Durable, flexible, and efficient. Leica Microsystems, living up to life.